Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Kia Sportage with Dead Key Fob Easy Guide. Start by locating the mechanical key inside the fob, then remove it carefully. Use the key to unlock the driver door via the hidden slot on the handle, then open the door and place the key blade near the start button or insert in the ignition slot to allow the vehicle to recognize the key. After unlocking the door, keep a calm, steady pace and follow each step to avoid damage. Slide the fob release, remove the mechanical key, and unlock the door with firm but controlled turns. If your vehicle has a proximity start, hold the key blade close to the start button while pressing brake and push start simultaneously. This helps the car detect the key so you can start and drive safely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that make weeknight routines easier and less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you like what you see. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you still have trouble, don't panic and try simple fixes first. Replace the fob battery with a known good cell, check the mechanical key for damage, and clean the door lock if it feels stiff. For push start models, hold the key near the start button for a few seconds to ensure detection. If none of these steps work, contacting roadside assistance or a dealer will be the safest next move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.